Full Battery Studios was missing one thing, merch. Well, now we have it. Go to our new merch store and Spreadshirt, so that's Full Bat Store, and buy limited edition, regular, even some channel names in there. DJ Justo, it's AuraDragoon. There's also memes, wall prints, even some new Full Bat design for the guy who wants a bit of that cool design that's not always the company. Link in the description below. Onto the video.
And I remember you said you'd never leave. You keep me alive, alive. When everything collides and falls apart, you are the one that's running me. I'm alive, so alive. You make.
Hey guys, ALTER here. Today I'm doing a double unboxing in this video. Let me just close this door real quick. And yeah, how we're gonna get started. So basically this is gonna be my unboxing of two Beyblades that I've got for Granddad. Special. This is Legend Spriggan, my first turd ever, and a special color of ALTER CHRONOS layer. Now I'm more excited about this one, kind of a bit, because I have two of these before this one, so this is my third Legend Spriggan. So let's open this one. Let's open this one first, so I have parts for, so yeah. I'll get to that when I'm ready. Alright, so let's see if I can actually. Alright, so now we got there now. Now first off, Legend Spriggan. There, I forgot how good this looks when it's not, when it's mint condition. It really does look good. Oh crap, I dropped it. The shiny metal god chip and everything. If you don't know what this layer's gimmick is, that it can go left and right spin. I'm gonna have a left spin mode because that's the mode I prefer. Now it also comes with a 7-disc. Already said much about. Did I already talk about this on camera? I think I did actually. I don't know. It's basically as heavy, but it's basically almost as heavy as 0, let alone 10. But no, it's not. It's the third most heaviest disc. Now this is merge, and yeah, I think I might start using this one because this merge is mint condition. Yeah. Basically, merge is basically a combination of spiral and unite. Or jolt and unite, actually. There's a little spike there, but it's mostly rubber, so it's a really aggressive layer. Yeah, so yeah, I could use this layer because I think my Legend Spriggan's teeth are starting to worn down. So yeah, that was Legend Spriggan. Now I would do a test spin, but here's the stadium. You won't be able to see anything, so there's no test spin. I want to keep the driver mint condition anyway now. Now this one. Let's see what this is like. So, yeah, I'm going to open it. Probably going to keep both the boxes for the background just in case. Oh, okay, it comes with a limited edition Pokemon card there, so I'll keep it somewhere. Let's see. Put it there. Oh, by the way, I'm getting Wing Pegasus, by the way. Now, this is the limited edition ALTER CHRONOS Gold layer. Now I'll give you my personal experience after I put on the stickers and corrected the god chip. So yeah. Now the recolor looks cool. It looks cool with all the stickers. It looks cool. It's really cool. The only thing I would have changed is like this thing right here. Oh, that's actually loose. So the hidden defense mode is really not worth it anymore. Guys, if you don't know, there's a hidden defense mode. If you do this, if you put it, in night or attack or unbalanced mode, and slide it, then when you put on the T, it becomes defense mode. Really good looking. So oh yeah, the teeth are great. So yeah, that's part 1 of early Xmas. This because I already have Legend Spriggan from Spriggan and the ALTER CHRONOS, but the ALTER CHRONOS recolor was cool. So yeah, I'm going to sign up now. So this is part 1 of early Xmas. This, I guess. So I think this is the surprise gift Nine Granny got me, but if not, this is a cool edition. But otherwise, it's been AuraDragoon here, signing out.